All right, guys, so if you are fixing your dryer right now and you've changed this fuse, this is called the thermal fuse. If you've changed it and you have to just keep changing it, the reason is really simple. And it has something to do, and 90% of the time it has something to do with the airflow in your dryer. In this particular example, this is gonna be the 1% that really trips up most technicians and almost all homeowners. And it's actually really simple to test for. It's just something that you have to keep in mind when you're testing. So first thing you're gonna do is turn your multimeter to the beep beep setting. And I have two heating elements here. I have this normal one and I have this cheap one from Amazon. As you can see, it's obviously pretty messed up. This one is not. This one's a good one, obviously bad one. So I'm just gonna put this one, I'll put the good one here. And the way you would test most heating elements is you're gonna find the terminal ends on each of these. And if you hear that, and I'll see if I can set this up. Oh, what? That's nice. So here you go. Showing about 11 ohms. Now, another thing that's important is that this and this should not have any beep beep. Now watch something crazy on this. So that's a good heating element, but it's grounded out. So basically what's happening is one of these coils are going back and touching the canister. So it could be something in the centerpiece or somewhere on the wall right here. But either way, the way that it happens is from buying cheap elements that sag and end up touching this canister. A great way to avoid it is to not buy the cheapest heating element on Amazon. Really easy. Or call your local repair guy. He'll have a good one on his truck if he's worth anything. But what basically happens is this shorts itself to ground and your heating element never turns off. So this glows red even when your dryer is not running. So what happens is the thermal fuse, this little thing, detects that and it goes above a certain temperature and it breaks the element, or it breaks the continuity in this fuse. And so you change this is still busted, and then this goes bad again. And you just keep changing this, and it may last for a couple of days. And you'll have to keep going back and keep changing it. But until you test for a grounded out heating element, you will forever change your thermal fuse. If that helped, make sure to like and follow.